Dito, 60 nila.
Ito pa naman yung dito dito na. Ay, ngayon din.
60 na nga rin dito.
Sinabayan niyo sila. Sige. Sinabayan niyo.
Next on the list, after science, get ready, English department with 16 teachers. 2 master teachers, all the rest teachers 1 to 3. One day, how we look forward to receiving laptop po siguro. And
One pa lang sa
teachers 1, 2, thank you very much po sa band